Hello jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So I was so excited when I found out that Dancing on Ice would be starting again this month. So it'll actually be starting on Sunday at 6 PM, so really excited for that. So I thought I would do a nail design obviously with this in mind. So I've already gone ahead and applied my Kiki London gel polish and cured. Then I'm going to be applying this transfer foil glue, as obviously I'm going to be working with foils today. So you want to just leave this, a minute or so to dry. So while that's drying, I'm going to actually move on and put on a stamping image on the other nail. So this is the Lina Nail Art Supplies plate, Make Your Mark. And I picked this one because it was kind of reminded me a bit of like the swirls that are left on the ice after, the dancers have gone around. So I've used a silver polish with that. So there you go. That's how that looks there. Very pretty. And then I'm going to be taking these, obviously, skating ice skates here off this Drk stamping image. It's going to get rid of the bits that I don't want. So I'm going to be coming in, I'm using Model 1's stamping polish, the silver one. So I'm just filling in the blades at the bottom of the stamping image. And then because I'm obviously using a blue base, and most of the ice skates are actually white, I think. I know obviously they can have custom ones to do with their costume, but generally it's white. It's certainly white if you go to an ice rink, so that's why I chose to have these skates white, because I wanted them to sort of pop on the nail. So you just want to leave this now to dry, and then you can move on and do other parts of the nail design. So I've actually got this foil. I think I got this a while back from Born Pretty. If there are still links to this, I will leave them in the description box. But I just thought it was a really cool foil because obviously it looks a bit like ice, and I thought I'd use that so she's like on the ice rink kind of look. So I'm just going to cut out the parts of the foil that I want to use. So now that the foil, the foil glue has dried, I'm going to place the foil on top of it. So you kind of just want to let it just go onto it naturally, then get a dry cotton pad or maybe kitchen towel and just rub it in. Ideally, you don't want it to crease like it is doing so, but sometimes when you're applying foils like this, completely filling the nail, you can have that kind of issue. But you can, if you want to, apply foil glue again and then go over the bits that you've missed, which is what I will do. Then before moving on, I'm going to go ahead and apply my gel top coat. If you're using regular top coat, you need to make sure it's water based so it doesn't crack the foil and dull the effect of it. So that's the look of the other nails that I have done. So I did apply the foil glue over the top of this so I could do dry stamping, which is what I am doing now. So I can just place it directly onto the nail and it will just transfer like that. So no cutting out decals or anything like that, or decal overlap look on the nail. I just thought that looked really cute together. And now for the dancer. Now obviously I don't have any ice skating ladies or men stamping images, so I thought I would just take this ballerina look and kind of not particularly show the bottom of her feet, because obviously she's wearing ballerina shoes as opposed to ice skates. So I'm just going to fill in now obviously the skin with a skin coloured stamping polish. And then I'm going to place this on the nail like so. So yes, I've applied the transfer foil glue to the base of this as well before I got to this step, so it would transfer nice and easily. And then I wanted to bling up the outfit. Obviously I didn't want it to just be black. So I actually am using my Madame Glam gel polish. It's from their Peacock collection. but it's a gorgeous flaky polish, and I just really loved how it sort of popped over the black stamping polish, and obviously just added that extra bit of bling to the nail dress, which is obviously how their costumes will look. It's very blingy. I do love the outfits that they use. So don't forget to cure this underneath the lamp before you go ahead and apply that final layer of gel top coat. So this is the reveal. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I really hope that you guys like it too. Please let me know in the comments box below if you like this design and if you would recreate it, and if you'll be watching the Dancing on Ice show along with me. So please press that free subscribe button if you've not already done so, Jelly Babes. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I always love to read your comments, and it really does help make my channel grow that much quicker, so I appreciate you doing that. So that's it from me today. Take care. See you soon. Bye.